Hello, Noble Knitter. It's Nancy Queen. Now, not too long ago, I talked to you about a YouTube sweater I'm going to knit based on a Harry Styles sweater and another YouTuber who created a crochet version. And I've been receiving projects from you so far. These are a few of what we have, and you've been sending me really great cards and things too to go along with the swatches. One of the struggles I've noticed in the comments and in emails that I've received is that people are, especially if you're a newer knitter, you don't know exactly how to get a square to 4 inches. Well, I'm going to show you my 2 favorite knitting techniques that will automatically get you to 4 inches in your square without you doing any extra work. All you need is a ruler and you knit to that size and then you're ready to go. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. Okay, I told you that I would have 2 projects that you can knit without having to try to figure out a gauge, and you can use these with any weight yarn. I used Knit Picks Felici worsted yarn for this. It's a self-striping yarn, and I chose that yarn because I really wanted you to see the shape. Now, both of these are teeny tiny versions of baby blankets videos that I've made, and I'm going to give you a link for each one, as well as you can find the links to both of these videos in the description. This first one is a mitered square. So you're going to start here and you're just going to keep working back and forth across the row like this, as you can see with the color changes, until it measures 4 inches from the beginning. And then you're done. You bind off and it's all done, and voila, there's a square to send me. Then the other one, this is a diagonal, and let's see, I started over here. So we're knitting this way, as you can see by the stripes. So you're going to cast on here, and you're going to keep increasing until you get to the center, and what the center is when it gets to 4 inches on one side. Not across here, but here or here. And then when you hit that point, you'll start decreasing until you're done, and then you have another square. So these are 2 really easy ways you can contribute to the square project, to our YouTube sweater project. And you can also use these to make washcloths, baby blankets, afghans, you name it, anything that's a square shape. You now have the tools to make it using any size yarn. So I hope you give it a try. I can't wait to see your square. I'll provide the address where you can send your squares, and I'll see you in the next video.